What's going on? So today I'm shooting with one of my favorite clients, Raising Cane's again. What they usually have is yearly they get their new store opening team together and they have kind of a celebration. It's a 2-day event. They go hang out one day for some team building. The next day they hand out awards. And this is something they have us usually cover every year. It's one of my favorite events to cover, so much that last year I covered it on my birthday. I didn't send nobody out to the team to do it. I went and did it myself because I just love working with these guys. They've always been great with us. They've always hired us for tons of stuff. And today we're here doing some corporate event photography just to watch these guys have fun and probably have a little fun with them. So I just want to take you guys with me so you guys can just see what it's like in the day of a life of a business owner, you know, doing some corporate event photography and living off of it pretty much. All right, guys, let's get it.
Hey guys, this is Lindsay.
And this is Cola.
We are with Raising Cane's, the NRO department, and we are here celebrating the 2019 kickoff.
We're going to be doing a couple team building activities and having a lot of fun. Woo!
Also, for the record, my weapon of choice for this is the A7R III with the 85 1.8. I have multiple lenses, but right now, single body. That keeps me, I get enough distance with that where I can go around and still get really nice candids. Clients usually want really shallow depth of field with candids, so I make sure I provide that and I can just, you know, go around and be the sniper that I am with this particular lens. Usually do 70 to 200, but it's real bulky, big, and I don't need that much range here. Plus this is 1.8, so it's better for lighting, even though the lighting here is fairly decent.
All right, hey guys, what's up? My name is Francis.
I'm Francis.
And basically, we're a team building company. We do all sorts of events. We try to connect people in super fun ways. We do bar mitzvahs, offsites. We do lock-ins. Any type of group, anything you want. We do highly customized events. We're here for y'all to bring y'all together.
Check us out at www.groupdynamics.com.
Check you later.
Deuces.
All right, guys, it's day 2. We're going to cover the steak dinner, the award ceremony portion of the shoot for Raising Cane's. And like I said, day 1 is a lot of fun because they get to go have fun as a team. Day 2 is the award part. It's the part where we really shine as an event photographer because it's less action and more awards. The shots are more important. You want to make sure you get people smiling, ready, holding their award. I got on my dual vest that I tell you guys about a lot. It's all kind of tied up right now. My battery pack that I like for my flash. I wear a photographer's vest because I got a ton of stuff, man, and I don't, you know, I want to keep all my stuff with me. So that's pretty much how I roll, and you're gonna get to roll with me. Let's go. One of my favorite parts about this particular event is because I have the Sony, I can send them images live from the camera, and they'll put them in a slideshow, and you get to see the reaction from the crowd viewing the slideshow of pictures that I just took or took yesterday. One of my favorite parts about using the Sony cameras and working this particular event. But the event is over with. I'm done. Going back to the truck. Going back home. And call it a day. Been an eventful day. Good event photography. It's a crowd that I'm used to. I've worked with them before. Like I said, this is my 3rd year covering this particular event. And we always have a blast. Last year, like I said, I covered it on my birthday. And it was just dope. They all sang happy birthday to me. It was pretty dope. But this year I'm done. I'll probably have other events from Raising Cane's that we cover. So this is just one that we do every year. Usually it's new store openings and stuff like that. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Blinking 1, 2. Perfect.